love bugs and love muffins. It's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with a voiceover. So today's video is by AliExpress with from a company called Rosabeauty Hair Shop. You boos. It says on this thing they told me to read, child, because you know I'm not good at playing a script. So I'm just gonna read what they wrote. It says AliExpress is now having the biggest sale of the year. Singles Day sale from November the 1st until November the 17th. Thousands of wig selections are up to 50% off. Yes, girl, I said 50% off. You can click the link in my description box to get this wig and use the code RB30 to get this wig only for $110. Yes, girl, $110.79. This wig is from AliExpress Rosabeauty Hair. It's 30 inches, 180% density, and a 5x5 lace glueless body wave wig. More codes are in my description box. Definitely check it out. Hurry up before they run out. And if you want to find more wigs of good quality and of good price, open your AliExpress app and search RB30 to find more influencer pics. Yes, girl. Okay, look at Chrissy. Hey, go Chrissy. Go Chrissy. You read a script? You read a script? Go Chrissy. You didn't memorize it, but you read it. Okay, girl. Anyways, y'all, I will see you love bugs for more info and details about this unit in the outro. Bye.
When I'm with you, oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. You, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy. I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging. Let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. You, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. Under the lights, you look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the wig that I'm rocking was sent to me by Rosabeauty. Shout out to you, Rosabeauty, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. This is my first time working with this company, so shout out to you, boo. So the wig that they sent me is their 5x5 lace glueless body wave wig. It's 180% density and it says it's 30 inches. Now I'm gonna go ahead and say it's not 30 inches and it's not giving 180% density in my opinion. So I don't know if they sent me the wrong specs, but check down below in the description box just in case. In my opinion, I would say this is about maybe about 22 to 24 inches and the density is definitely given 150% in my opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that out there, okay, so you guys know. Now as far as shedding and tangling, I have not received any other things from this unit straight out of the packaging. And I also want to go ahead and mention this hair is extremely soft. Like, baby girl is soft, okay? Like, it is super lightweight and it's super soft. And even though it's not 180% density in my opinion, it still has a full look to it, you know, depending on how you style it, but it is not heavy hair. This unit did come with pre-cut lace, so I did not have to do anything to that. I didn't have to cut that lace whatsoever. Now I did bleach the knots. You guys know I'm on that kick. I feel like you can get away with just applying bronzer or something, but I did personally bleach the knots. As far as this wig being big head friendly, I feel like you can make it work across the board in my opinion, because it has that detachable elastic band, and I feel like you can make it as snug as you want or as loose as you want. But do with that what you want to do with that, girl, because I am an average cap size. So honey, do with that what you want to do with it. But in my opinion, I feel like it can work across the board for all cap sizes. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. Now my con with this wig is that it's gonna have to be that it has no combs. And you guys know I love me a comb. I'm gonna need me a comb. Hold on, I said no combs. Yeah, no. This wig has no combs whatsoever. And I guess it could be a con that is not the density and specs that they have on the paper, but I'm not 100% sure if they just didn't send me like the wrong specs. So I don't want to use that as a con, but if that is the case, then that's a con as well. Alright, so now as far as the pros, honey, I love the softness of this hair. Like, y'all, I cannot tell you enough. This hair is extremely soft and I love that for me. I also love that it came with pre-cut lace. I love that it's extremely beginner friendly, and I feel like it was really easy to overall style and work with this hair. So those are all of my pros. Yes, I would obviously recommend this wig. Despite it not having any combs, it's extremely beginner friendly and it's from AliExpress, so I'm assuming it's also extremely affordable. So obviously I would recommend this wig. I think she's a look, she's a vibe, girl. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 and a lint check, and then we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Rosabeauty Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every style.